Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to use conjunction when in sentences, meaningful sentences. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. When I come here, I see a book. When I come here, I see a book. When you went there, you saw a man. When you went there, you saw a man. When it rained, we were inside the house. When it rained, we were inside the house. When the train started, she was not there. When the train started, she was not there. When we came here, nobody was there. When we came here, nobody was there. When I sat on the table, I ate. When I sat on the table, I ate. When he gave me 2 mangoes, we ate. When he gave us 2 mangoes, we ate. When you studied the lesson, you went away. When you finished your lesson, you went away. When you completed your exercise, you took rest. When you completed your exercise, you took rest. When we finished watching our TV, we were free. When we finished watching our TV, we ate. When he came here, he brought some books. When he came here, he brought some books. When the flight took off, the passengers were happy. When the flight took off, the passengers were happy. When we saw the flowers, we felt delighted. When we saw the flowers, we felt delighted. When we went to Kodaikanal, we saw many flowers. When we went to Kodaikanal, we saw many flowers. When we came from Chennai, we brought some dolls. When we came from Chennai, we brought some dolls. When we were in Vietnam, we saw many places. When we were in Vietnam, we saw many places. When you went to Tokyo, you went to Akihabara. When you went to Tokyo, you went to Akihabara. When they were in Kyoto, they visited many historical places. When they were in Kyoto, they visited many historical places. When we went to Taj Mahal, we got excited. When we went to Taj Mahal, when we visited Taj Mahal, we were excited. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.